Hi, I'm Danny from Dahua Technology. Thanks for joining me. Have you ever experienced a terrible video meeting? Like a narrow view, poor image and audio quality, too many cables? Don't worry, we have a remedy. Dahua C4A0, an all-in-one USB camera that suits huddle rooms for 2 to 6 people, helps get rid of all these troubles. Now let's start unboxing our all-in-one USB camera. Here we have the USB cable, the USB extension cable, and the user manual. Dahua C4A0 has an elegant appearance. It's a compact black rectangle, convenient to carry, which makes it a great partner for business people on the go. Let's see the function design. At the top is a microphone. We can see the lens, volume buttons, microphone button, and a loudspeaker in the front. When it's in use, we can see a lens indicator light under the lens, and a circular microphone and volume indicator light in the middle. Dahua C4A0 provides a clear and smooth image. It's equipped with an HD camera that supports 120-degree wide-angle shooting, ensuring every participant appears in the picture. The mechanical adjustable lens supports a more accurate focus. Dahua C4A0 also delivers a high-quality audio experience. It has an omnidirectional microphone with a 3-meter pickup distance, making every participant audible. The echo cancellation function, dynamic noise reduction, and full duplex communication function guarantee a natural and anti-interference conference environment. Dahua C4A0 is very easy to operate. At the bottom, we can see a USB port. Connect it to the laptop via the USB cable. Then, log on to the video conference software. Now you can start the meeting, whenever and wherever you are.